Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a paper airplane. My recommendations are don't use loose leaf because loose leaf is like loose. Like look how wobbly this is. Especially like when you throw it, it's smooth, but it would go straight down after and it's really wobbly and I wouldn't recommend it. I would actually recommend printer paper. But any type of paper would work if you want a paper airplane. This is not going to be a world record airplane or anything, but this will be fine. I'll also be drawing on it later after I make it. But we're going to tilt this down and then start. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get the long sides and put them together. And you're going to go and slice it like that. Make it smooth. Then you're going to open it like a book. Then you're going to take one side, put it to the middle, then the other side, put it like this. Right. Then we're going to take the same side we first started off with and fold it again. Same thing with the other. Alright, now that we've done that, we're gonna turn it over and fold it like this. Go like that, boom, flip it back. Then as the final two steps, we're gonna bring it down again. Same thing with the other side. I'm just fixing the tip because the tip did not look like a tip. And yeah, this is a paper airplane. Open it up, and boom, paper airplane. You can also get like a pencil or a pen and draw on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm drawing right now. I drew the 4 elements and avatar onto my paper airplane. Drawing them doesn't mess it up. It still flies the same if you draw on it. So you could just go crazy with it. Just draw anything, really. You could draw a smiley face. You could draw a sad face. You could draw a mad face. And you could draw anything you want. It's your airplane. This won't affect it. Something I don't like you don't do is like put tape to it. And I've learned that by playing with this one, and I've taped it. I put tape at the end so it looked cool, but it certainly didn't fly cool. Now it does look like it flies cool, but it doesn't. It's heavy and it's not good to fly with. But this, it's smooth. If you go like this, I'm gonna go like that, a little like this. It'll like land smoother, and it lands way smoother than it does with the other one I just showed you. The other one crashes and it doesn't really land, but this one, it just floats and then lands perfectly. So I just love printer paper airplanes. But that is the end of the tutorial. Color on it, do whatever you want. And if you need to make it again, come back to the video or memorize it. Anyways, goodbye.